Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to insert your SIM card and memory card into Samsung Galaxy A53. So let's do it. So to do that, first you will need the box because we have inside the box a pin. And now just look into the bottom of your phone, and here we have the slot for the pin and the memory card, and you need to put this pin inside this hole like this. I hope you see it, and push it. Now remove the slot, and here you can put the SIM1, and on the other side you can put the SIM2 or the memory SD card, and I will show you how. And now let's put the first SIM card, and this is the right position. And this is how it looks. And on the other side, if you want, you can put another SIM card. Like this. And this is how it looks. The first SIM card and the second one. And if you don't want to put a second one, just remove it. And now let's put the MicroSD memory card. And this is the right position. I hope you see it. And now this is the first SIM card and this is the memory card. Now let's put back the slot and just push it, and now power on your phone. And now if you have a pin for the SIM card, just enter it and press OK. Now if you want to remove the SIM card and the memory card, just power off your phone, put back the pin into the hole, push it, remove the slot, and remove the MicroSD card and the SIM, and put back the slot into the phone. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.